Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and today we will cover all the velocity modules in UE4 Niagara. So let's start this emitter velocity. And by default in this emitter we have velocity. That's why particle going up. Then it has gravity, so particle going down. And I will delete all these. So I have now spawn rate. I'll hide this and the sphere location, and if I make the sphere radius 100, you can see the particle is spawning on a sphere location. We have already covered all the locations, so you know all the functions, all the options here in the sphere. And I can make this surface band, so it will only spawn on the surface. So now how many velocity we have? We have 1 2 3